It's Maria, and today we are going to update text on your website. So to get started, we are going to pull open a browser. I'm using Firefox, and we will have two tabs, one with the page that we want to edit on the front end of the site, and then our admin tools. So we will go to our website. I'm using my personal blog, and then we'll go to slash WP-admin after the domain, and that will pull open the WordPress tools. So once you're in there, you'll see a page like this, and this is the dashboard. We will click on Pages, and from there, we will see that we'll see a list of all of our pages. We're going to choose the one that we want to edit. We'll mouse over it, and then this little navigation will show up. We choose Edit with Cornerstone, and it will pop open this page. And when we mouse over the different grid sections, it will allow us to edit them. So we will activate this text box. Once we have that selected, over here, there is a box that says Edit Text. We click that. And we will have two options, either the visual editor, which is the rich text tab, or the code editor, which is the HTML tab. So we'll start in the visual editor, and we'll just make some quick little updates. This is our update. Okay, so then we'll go to the code, and we can just see that it added it with the little paragraph tags, which makes it do a carriage return. So if we go back, we can see that we have some bold text, we have italic text, and we have a link. If we look at the code, the bold text has the strong, the italic has the EMs, and then the link is right here. So speaking of links, let's add a link to our text. This was edited by Maria, and we want to put a link to my website. So we highlight the text, and then we need to go and get the exact URL. So we'll just go to the website, pull it up, and then we can copy and come on back. And we have our text highlighted. We'll click the chain and we get this bar, and we paste that text in, click the arrow, and now we have a link. So let's get out of this editor by clicking either the close or the X. And then we save up here, we click, and then it turns green, and that means our work is done, but we want to check it just to make sure that nothing went wrong. So we come over to our tab of the front end and we reload, and you can see that our changes are there along with our links. So let's just make sure that works. Click that, and voila, we've got our updates.